Trello and Asana have been go-to project management tools for many, but their free plans come with restrictions like limited users, capped projects, and fewer advanced features. If you're a freelancer, a startup, or part of a growing team, these limitations can really slow down your progress. That's why today, we're diving into the best free alternatives that offer unlimited users, powerful features, and no compromises. First up is ClickUp, often considered the best free alternative available. With its free plan, ClickUp gives you unlimited users and projects, customizable task views, powerful automations, and seamless integrations. Whether you're using lists, boards, or calendars, ClickUp has it all, helping you stay organized and productive without spending a dime. Next, we have ClickUp, a hidden gem that's perfect for teams who need unlimited users and projects. It offers a simple yet effective Kanban and list view interface. While more advanced features like Gantt views and customizations are only available on the paid plans, the free version is more than enough for solid project management. Freecamp is another excellent option for teams needing unlimited storage and users. The free plan includes a wide range of views and collaboration tools, but it does have a 100 megabyte storage limit. If storage isn't your priority, Freecamp could be an ideal solution for your team. For teams that value privacy and control, FocalBoard is an open source option that allows you to self-host and customize your project management experience with flexible Kanban and table interfaces. Zoho Projects is another strong contender, offering task dependencies and time tracking features on its free plan. Ideal for smaller teams that need more structured management. However, the free plan is limited to just 3 users. And finally, Rike and Nifty are both great all-in-one platforms. They bring comprehensive tools, spreadsheet-like management, and integrated chat into one place, ensuring you're well-equipped for both project tracking and communication. So which one should you choose? If you need unlimited users and flexibility, ClickUp and ClickUp are your best bets. If privacy and control are a top priority, give FocalBoard a try. For simple, unlimited project management, Freecamp is a great option. Don't settle for limitations. If you want to explore more, be sure to check out our next video on the best alternatives to paid software. You won't want to miss it. See you there!